Hey, guess what? You're watching a video you don't really want to watch, and I'm recording a video you really don't want to watch. So this is a Lego B&B, otherwise known as butterfly knife and Balisong. This was made from a lot of Technic, a couple of system bricks, and I figured slamming it on the windowsill is the best way to keep your attention. This was made by me and my associate SKELEMANDER. I will leave a link to his channel in the description thing. You gotta subscribe to him, or else I'm not posting any videos that you probably don't want to watch. So yeah, it works pretty well. I can't do any tricks because if I move the camera up anymore, you will see my face in the window. So you know what, actually, yeah, this isn't I can do things, just not now, not today. Anyways, if you want the instructions, you'll have to ask me for them because I didn't make any. Don't leave, I'll be right back. That is not the one you want. Trust me on this. If you're going with any B&B, go with the affordable and small version of it. Yeah, that's right. I made a tiny version. Yeah. It's tiny. It still does all the same things. And if you want, you can make like an ancient tribal dude with big jowls. And you can like karate chop you with his, I don't know. That's all. Bye.